Dancehall entertainer Squash has agreed to plead guilty in exchange for one of two charges against him being dropped and the possibility of a reduced sentence. The details of the plea agreement were unsealed on Friday afternoon after the entertainer officially pleaded guilty in court earlier this morning. Squash's given name is Andre Maurice Whitaker. According to the plea deal, Squash has pleaded guilty to the count of being an illegal alien in possession of a firearm or ammunition. The second count, possession of an automatic weapon, has been dropped. Squash will also be required to pay a special assessment fee of $100 at the time of sentencing. According to the agreement, prosecutors will ask the court to give Squash a reduced sentence, having saved the court's time and resources by pleading guilty. However, the document says sentencing remains at the discretion of the court, with the entertainer facing up to 15 years in prison with 3 years of supervised release. The court may also impose a fine of up to $250,000. According to the plea agreement, Squash also acknowledges that the crime he's pleading guilty to is a deportable offense and his plea may trigger automatic removal. However, removal and other immigration consequences are subject to separate proceedings. Squash has also agreed to forfeit any other firearms and ammunition that may be in his possession. In addition, Squash agrees that the plea agreement cannot be withdrawn if the court disregards the recommendation to reduce his sentence. The deal is also void if Squash lied to the government, fails to make a full disclosure to the court, or if he commits any other crimes, attempts to withdraw the plea, or misrepresents any government entity or official. To go along with the plea deal, Squash has agreed not to contest several facts. Among them are that on February 24 this year, while under surveillance, he was observed by law enforcement accepting what appeared to be a firearm from an individual in Miami Beach, Florida. Squash then entered a vehicle which committed multiple traffic violations. The car was stopped, and while police were approaching, Squash was seen frantically reaching for the glove compartment. After the driver consented to a search, a loaded Glock 19 pistol was found in the glove compartment. Further details are Squash is not a citizen of the U.S. and entered the country in January 2021 without the permission of an immigration officer. Also, he knowingly possessed the loaded Glock 19 pistol while being an illegal alien. Squash's sentencing date has not yet been released.